What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So let's discuss lazy ways of losing weight, because I know and you know that sometimes we just don't feel like doing anything and we just need an easier way to do stuff. So let's just jump right into the top 9 easy ways to get our shape in shape without doing the most, okay? Number 1 is bed exercises. You don't want to get out of bed early in the morning. You don't want to get out of bed at all. But while you're sitting there and you're watching your Maury or you're watching your love and hip hop shows, go ahead and do some quick light exercises. You don't have to do much. Just go ahead and move that body. Make sure everything is moving, and you can get those exercises in no time. Tip number 2 is drink more water, okay? So early in the morning, don't reach for that juice. Get you a nice, fresh, cold glass of water. Studies have shown that cold glasses of water do help the body regulate and burn fat faster. So you definitely want to make sure that you're drinking your recommended doses of water every day. Number 3, guys, go ahead and brush those nice pearly whites. Who wants to eat anything when you have a fresh mouth? Blah, not me. I hate it when I have to eat something right after I brush my teeth. It tastes disgusting. So definitely go ahead and brush your teeth after every meal, or brush your teeth when you think you're hungry and you're really not. You're just itching to chew on something. Brush your teeth. It'll definitely help you curb those cravings. So tip number 4 is throw away the scale. Okay, guys, don't throw away the scale, but don't weigh yourself so much. Why are you weighing so much? Nobody loses weight every hour on the hour. Only weigh yourself maybe once a week or once a month, so you're not so focused on the number on the scale, okay? Definitely do not weigh yourself every day. Throw that scale in the closet or somewhere where you would rarely find it or see it. Don't be a slave to the scale. Tip number 5, guys, do not snack after a certain time of night, okay? I usually don't eat after 8 p.m. and that keeps the weight down tremendously. Do not eat anything after 8 p.m. Check the time, and if it is over the time limit, do not eat, honey. Put that away and get yourself a nice cold glass of water, okay? Water will definitely curb those cravings, and it also fills you up. So when you're thinking you're hungry and you want to snack, don't snack, drink water. Tip number 6, definitely change your mindset, okay? Nobody can lose weight with negative thinking. Nobody can lose weight thinking that they can just skate on by with negative thoughts. If you really want to change your weight, you have to change your mindset. That includes loving yourself, getting in tune with yourself, making a plan for yourself. The plan is to not fail. And what do? How do you do that? You write it down. The more you see your plan, the easier it gets for you. So definitely make a plan, write your goals down, write positive affirmations about you and yourself and things that you want to achieve, and you will definitely be able to change your mindset to lose that weight. number 7, guys, definitely start getting up and getting it yourself. Move that body. We tend to think that because we have kids, we can use those kids as our own personal arms and legs. No, no, no. That is not the way to go. If you're going to change your mindset, it's time for you to get up, get that remote control yourself, and use that body. Move it, or move it so you can lose it, okay? Get up and get that remote control so you can turn the TV on, or better yet, stand up and turn the TV on yourself, and then you can enjoy whatever show you would like to enjoy, okay? Most of the time when I get up and get the remote myself, I'm tired, and so all I want to do is enjoy my show in peace and harmony, and sometimes I even fall asleep. Just make sure you move that body. Is that sweet tooth kicking in? Well, tip number 8 is try not to drink sugary drinks. It is a well-known fact that most of our calories and carbs come from sugary drinks. What we can do to curb that is we can drink Crystal Light. Okay, Crystal Light has 0 carbs and it's also sugar-free. So you can definitely get you a glass or 2 of this Crystal Light a day. You do not have to overindulge. That is not what we do here. We do not overindulge in the Crystal Light. But having 1 or 2 glasses a day of the Crystal Light can help curb your sweet tooth, and your sweet tooth for sweets and juice, and give you back what you think you've been missing. So definitely go ahead and enjoy the Crystal Light in moderation. Feeling sluggish? Definitely go ahead and get you some good night's sleep. Studies have shown that sleep is usually our worst, that not enough sleep is usually our worst enemy when trying to lose weight. We're so busy ripping and running that we forget that our bodies need the adequate amount of rest to burn off fat. So what you do, guys, is you make sure that you get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep so that your body can heal properly from all the work it's been going through. Definitely want to get you some rest, because rest is where it's at. If you found this video helpful, definitely go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. You don't want to miss out on all the great little goodies that we'll be having coming in the future. And you also want to stay up to date on everything that's going on this channel. So make sure you hit that bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video here. Okay, guys, until next time, love yourself, think positive, and get healthy. Love ya.